The kitten fishing. A kitten went fishing with its mother by the river. Mother cat sat quietly, watching the float. The kitten chased a butterfly. Then it tried to catch a dragonfly. Soon it played with a little frog. The kitten never sat still. When it looked back at the rod, the fish was gone. Mother cat was patient and caught a big fish. The kitten felt envious. It understood. To succeed, one must stay focused.